Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials, tools ready and the door open. First, remove the visible set screw on the handle using the correct driver. This releases the grip on the spindle. Once done, pull the handle straight away from the door while supporting the opposite handle so the mechanism doesn't drop. If the screw is recessed, use tape to protect the finish and a flathead for leverage. This step exposes the rosette and spindle, so you can access the internal fasteners and continue safely. Next, remove the rosette or trim plate screws and lift the trim off. Keep all screws in order so reassembly is exact. Then slide the spindle straight out and inspect it for bends or wear. Mark its orientation with a pen so the new part aligns the same way. After you clear the spindle, unscrew the latch assembly from the door edge and pull it free. You're doing this to check fit and ensure the new handle mates cleanly. Mismatched angles or a sticky latch will cause binding later. Now install the new latch into the door edge, then insert the correctly oriented spindle so the handle operates the cam smoothly. Fit the trim and loosely hand-tighten screws first. This lets you make small alignment adjustments. Once aligned, torque the screws snugly and install the handle, tightening the set screw securely. Test the door through 5 full open/close cycles to confirm smooth action. If it binds, one key troubleshooting tip is to loosen the screws. Realign the spindle and latch, clear debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.